make it? Oh my god.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Happy freaking New Year! Oh my god, how is it 2021 already? That is absolutely insane. I feel like all of us have just been ready to keep 2020 out of our minds, the bad habits we formed, all the bad memories we have. We can just erase them. Say goodbye. It is a new freaking year. I woke up and was like, I kind of want to film my what I eat in a day. And not only do I want to film my what I eat in a day, I kind of want to film a healthy what I eat in a day because I actually want to eat healthy today. This morning, I crave fruit and vegetables. Who am I? I want to hydrate myself. I've literally been drinking so much the last few days that today I just want to have a healthy, nice reset day. And I figured I would show you guys what a healthy day for me looks like. You guys know me, I eat super unhealthy. That a normal, healthy-ish day for me is like everyone's normal day. Also, just letting you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Some. They are a nutrition-based app. They're focused on nutrition. Not only can you log your meals in this app, you can also log your exercise and your water intake. What's even cooler about this app is that it actually helps you maintain your goals. So if your goal is to eat healthier like I am, or if your goal is to lose weight or even gain weight, which is something I've been doing over the last 4 months, this app will give you personalized feedback. This is one of the few nutrition apps that I actually genuinely enjoy using. I actually do have a discount code for you guys if you guys want to check it out. I'm gonna have a link for you guys to download it completely free, but if you guys do want the premium feature, I do have a 30% discount code for you guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Woo! Let's go. Our kitchen's a little messy right now because it has been the holidays, so we've been cooking and we've been having Matt's siblings over every single day. I literally have been baking so much. I made cinnamon streusel, so delicious, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sick of them. Like, I'm looking at my cinnamon streusels and my cornbread cookies that I made. I just don't want that right now. But I like to start off every single morning with my supplements. First off, women's daily vitamins, probiotics, vitamin D, and collagen bites. So for breakfast today, we're actually gonna have one of my favorite meals, but I actually have not had this meal in probably like a month and a half, and I honestly do not know why. I think it's because I've been having boba instead of actually having a real meal. So for today's brunch, we are having oatmeal with strawberries. I am so excited about this. So let's get all the ingredients. All right, we have the peanut butter, the oatmeal, the strawberries, and of course, the oh yeah. So I just made my oatmeal with strawberries. I try to make it cute, but I use the worst possible knife to cut my strawberries so they don't look cute. Let me know if I'm the only person that does that. I also have my cup of water. Here is my oatmeal bowl. What I did was I added about a tablespoon and a half of peanut butter. I like to fill like half my bowl with strawberries so I feel like I'm eating fruit or veggies. And of course, I'm just using my favorite maple brown sugar oatmeal. I've had 2 cups of water so far, so this is actually my 3rd cup of water. And I wanted to show you guys how I track my waters in the Some app. All right, so as you guys can see, for today, I haven't tracked any of my meals yet because this will actually be my first meal that I have for the day. And for my waters, you can tap the water. And I have 3. So over the last 2 weeks, I've actually been tracking my meals. For breakfast today, I'm gonna add everything in. You can either search for the food on the actual app, or the coolest thing is you can scan the barcode. I'm gonna scan the barcode for my Quaker maple and brown sugar. You just tap the barcode and then you scan it using the barcode and it automatically pops up. So then you push track and then it tracks it. So overall, the app is telling me that my meal for today, which is my breakfast, is a happy meal. It gives me a little happy face that tells me that it's happy with the meal that I'm having. What's even cooler about this app is that you can literally take photos of your food. So if you have like a little food diary that you like to track, you can take a photo of it. And so then it shows right here that that's what I had for breakfast today. Okay, so I'm gonna have the rest of my meal. Guys, you guys are sleeping on putting peanut butter in your oatmeals. If you guys aren't doing it, you guys are missing out. So So we just finished my oatmeal. I literally forgot how freaking good oatmeal is. I think I'm gonna take Zoe on a little walk. I'm gonna ask Matthew if he's down to go on a little walk as well. I just looked in my fridge. It is so not healthy. Like, I don't know what meals to make. I kind of want sushi. I kind of don't. I kind of want to make dinner myself for both of us, but then I don't have enough ingredients to make everything. This is kind of all we have. We do have some fruit. We have some lettuce. Ooh, I definitely want to snack on this later. Oh my god, we had blueberries oh, they're old. We had blueberries this entire time. Like, literally, we don't have a bunch of food. We do have some meats in here. I don't even think we have sweet potatoes. We don't necessarily have anything healthy in the freezer. I kind of want to go to Whole Foods and grab a bunch of stuff. I haven't been in Whole Foods in so long, so I'm gonna ask if Matthew's down as well. So we actually got Zoe a new leash for Christmas, aka Matthew did. It's like retractable. It's so far. She's such a good girl. Matt's been doing like 10,000 steps a day. I joined him for like maybe one walk every like 2 or 3 days, and I get about like 5,000 steps in, which is pretty freaking good for me, okay? So today's the day. We're trying to be a little bit healthier. Hey guys, so a little update here. Matt and I just got home from our walk. My face looks so flushed and pink because I was working up a sweat. So we're gonna head to Whole Foods right now to get some food and get some groceries for the house. But I wanted to see how many steps I just walked. It says I walked 3,625 steps on LifeSum. So right here it tracks my exercise. The app, I don't actually have to input everything. It like knows how much I walk. So I actually have LifeSum synced up with my health app on the iPhone, which is so cool. I'm kind of craving a little snack right now.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down the Santa Claus lane.
I'm gonna be snacking on these little Perfect Bites. I really like eating these because, as you guys know, I don't eat enough protein. So the only protein bars I've ever liked are Perfect Bar proteins. They just taste like real food, and it doesn't even necessarily taste like protein. All right, so I think I'm having about 3 servings worth of this, which is gonna be 21 grams of protein, which is pretty freaking good. I'm just sending some footage to Callie right now before we go. I'm just gonna snack on these freaking things. They're so good. They remind me of the dibs from Dryers. Do you guys know what dibs are? They're like chocolate covered. You did not just throw up, Shark. Oh my god. Yeah, she threw up on your book. All right, sorry for the interruption. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait for this stuff to upload really fast. We're in the car. I brought my snacks. I also stole Matt's water bottle and filled it up with some water. He bought me a new water bottle for Christmas, but I just haven't used it yet. I'm gonna feed you. I want you to tell me what you think. Little protein bites. Aren't they so good?
Tastes exactly like the bars.
Mm-hmm. The sky is so beautiful today. Holy cow, how is that real? Thank you. Oh my god, these are so good. Will I make it? Oh my god. We got all the groceries. All right, we're back home now. Here's a little grocery haul of what both Matt and I got for the week. This is gonna be our dinner for tonight. We have some sushi, so I'm so excited because this is hands down one of my favorite meals. I got tomatoes, avocado, some mushrooms, some eggs. Matt got some tuna. I also got us some teriyaki salmon that we can cook tomorrow. We got bread and we got some cheese. Oh, and the thing I actually wanted to go there for was the Smart Sweets. These are like healthy candy. It's like 28 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar. It's so freaking yummy. I'm ready for dinner. It's only like 6 p.m. and I'm so hungry. I finished all of my freaking protein bites, so I'm excited for dinner. All right, so I'm making my little salmon sushi bowl. So I just have a bowl of white sushi rice from Whole Foods. You can ask for them to give you just sushi rice. And I put a bunch of sesame seeds on top. And then we're gonna add the fish like that. Once I have the salmon, I put a big dollop of the guacamole from Whole Foods. I normally do the spicy one, except it wasn't available. They only had the mild. Also, P.S. this is not all I'm eating. I also got crunchy sriracha salmon roll for Matt and I. And we're also eating this tuna salad that he got as well. Last step is I like to cut a little piece of onion or lemon, squeeze that right on top. And then of course put some soy sauce on the entire meal. And that is how I make my salmon bowls. Super healthy, super delicious, so simple to make. It is officially ready. So I have a little bit of soy sauce and wasabi mixed in this bowl. Holy cow, it was so good. I just wish the guacamole was a little bit spicier. Other than that, everything is perfect. Okay, I chopped up some onions because I freaking love onions in this bowl. Adding it to the bowl. I just finished my meal. That was so freaking good. I like want that every single day. I just tracked all of my meals today. I am gonna still have more snacks, not gonna lie. Still not done with the snacks yet. I definitely want to eat the Sweet Smarts that I bought from Whole Foods earlier. But Matt and I are gonna watch the Souls movie from Disney, and I'm probably gonna eat the snacks while I'm just like sitting on the couch watching the movie. I tracked my dinner and it was a pretty good healthy dinner. A lot of protein in it. So in total, I've had 66 grams of protein today. So LifeSum is telling me that I should probably have 82 grams of protein, but normally I don't ever reach 66 grams. Normally on my LifeSum, it's like 40 grams of protein a day. So overall, LifeSum is giving me a day rating of a good day. These are the Smart Sweets peach rings. They literally have the best texture to them. I've tried all the Smart Sweets candies. These are hands down my favorites. These are what the little peach rings look like. These are so good. They are gluten-free, plant-based, good source of fiber, free from artificial sweeteners, peanuts and tree nut free, free from artificial colors, and naturally flavored. And they're made in the USA. They have a bunch of other types of candies as well. Like they have Swedish fish, they have like gummy worms, but peach rings is where they're at. Wow, these are so good. Probably half of you guys are like, Tiffany, you're eating candy, that's not healthy. But like, to me, this is healthy candy, okay? So let me live. Hey guys, a little update here. It is currently 8:30 p.m. and I'm gonna end the video because Matt and I had dinner. I had all my snacks today. I definitely didn't eat like the entire bag of Smart Sweets, but I did have like a full serving. But I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm eating in kind of like a healthier day. If you guys want me to do a what I eat in a week video, let me know, because I feel like if you guys saw what I actually ate in a week, it'll give you guys a better idea of what I actually eat like in every single day, because every single day for me is a little bit different. Like for me, today was very healthy, but yesterday was pretty unhealthy, and then some days I drink alcohol, some days I don't. So if you guys want another video like this, let me know. Also, I want to try a bunch of the LifeSum recipes, because if you guys have the premium version, there are a bunch of recipes that you guys can try out. They give you recipes based on the meal plan you guys have. My meal plan is that I just want to eat a little bit healthier, so these are all of the recipes that they recommend for me. And like the chocolate chip banana bread pancakes, that sounds so freaking delicious, and it only takes 30 minutes to make. I definitely want to try this recipe out for a video, but if you guys haven't already, go click the link down below so you guys can get LifeSum for completely free. And I also have a discount code for you guys if you guys want to upgrade your account to premium, so go check it out, you guys. Honestly, I genuinely really like this app. I just wanted to end the video here. If you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below and tell me what was your last meal you were eating. So my last meal was sushi and rice. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.